playing open power chords. You already know how to play power chords and how to slide the power chord shape up and down the fretboard. So now it's time to learn the 3 open power chords. Just like the regular power chord, the open power chords only include 2 notes. But the good thing about the open power chords are that you only need to use your index finger and let the open string ring out. So the 3 open power chords are E, A, and D. To play the open E power chord, you simply press down on the 2nd fret with your index finger on the A string right here and play both the open E and the 2nd fret of the A string together like this. To play the open A power chord, you move your index finger to the 2nd fret of the D string and play both the open A and the 2nd fret of the D string like this. And to play the open D power chord, you move your index to the 2nd fret of the G string and strum both the open D string and the 2nd fret of the G string like this. There you have the 3 open power chords, and with them, you can learn a lot of awesome riffs. The good thing about the open power chord is that you only use your index finger, so you can use the other fingers to add lots of cool stuff.